Stock number 41295Y. It's a 2019 Honda HR-V. It's a rollover, you can see. The front bumper's no good, the hood's no good. This headlight's no good. You see that headlight looks good. Passenger fender's no good. Passenger door's no good. Passenger back door's no good. Passenger quarter panel's no good. Passenger tail light's no good. Rear bumper's no good. Quarter panel's no good. Back door's no good. The driver door's no good. The fender's no good. The driver and the passenger roof airbags are deployed. The driver's seat airbags deployed. The driver and the passenger seat belts are locked. It's a rollover. It does have a key. The seatbelt is locked. Seatbelt's locked. This is stock number 41295Y. This is a 2019 Honda HR-V. It does have a key. It does not start.